What is up, guys? RevItUp7 here. This Monster Jam assortment, or at least I don't know if it's the K case or what case it is, at least the 2018 final run of Hot Wheels Monster Jam trucks. There were some pretty cool epic editions. You had Big Kahuna, which wasn't an epic edition, it just had never been made before. So that was a first ever time being casted and made into a truck. So Big Kahuna was an edition. You had Mad Scientist, Wonder Woman. They had a couple other cool ones, but I think the last ever Hot Wheels Monster Jam newly casted truck, like, you know, there's a million Gravediggers, there's a million El Toro Locos, but this is the last time we'll ever have a first edition, technically, Monster Jam truck, is right now. I picked it up at Walmart. It's Radical Rescue. This is a huge moment in my life because I grew up collecting Hot Wheels Monster Jam trucks. That was before Hot Wheels for me, and Hot Wheels has become my biggest collection, biggest thing I collect. One second. But this is the last time I'll ever pick up a new Hot Wheels Monster Jam truck that I don't already have. And that's a shame. I don't know why. I mean, I'm pretty sure Hot Wheels and Monster Jam weren't having any quabbles or anything, or any problems. I don't know why they cut their relationship. It doesn't make any sense, but I was looking forward to the Hot Wheels monster trucks, their own thing, and then I realized that they changed the wheels into these skinny, tall, different rim style wheels, and they're all like character cars, and just not what I liked Hot Wheels Monster Jam for. I might pick up one or two, but they are not what I wanted. Unless they start doing independent drivers like Avenger or Jester and those trucks, I'm not going to collect those. So this might be my last ever Hot Wheels Monster Jam video on a new truck. A new truck that I picked up that I'm excited to talk about. I just cannot believe that this is coming to an end. So I've already been rambling on for 2 minutes. Let's get into this. I wouldn't dare leave this in the box. That'd be kind of stupid considering this is the last time I'll ever do this. I think this truck was but created for like the 9/11 attacks, and then they never went on to cast it. I don't know why, but I'm gonna be completely honest. This is a big moment for me opening this truck and stuff like that. Last time I'll do this, but this truck's kind of not the greatest design in my opinion. It has the front end of like an older fire truck. Kind of looks like a Ford Edsel. I don't know. But it just doesn't know what it wants to be. It's like half pickup truck, half classic car, half fire truck. I don't know what they got going on with the top up here. I think those are like a light. Or like just a design feature. I don't know. But overall, I'm not a huge fan of this truck. It's a big deal picking it up and stuff. It's my last Hot Wheels Monster Jam truck I'm going to pick up new. But it's also not the craziest looking truck. Yellow rims, as you can see. It's pretty glossy. The body's really glossy on this with a tiny Radical Rescue logo. I think I saw this truck at a show I went to in 2015. That was the only time I ever saw this truck on tour. So, pretty cool. It came with a green crushable car. These are actually one of my favorite additions that come with the trucks, or accessories you can call them, because I always had to make my crush cars out of tinfoil for videos, and now these will just sit there. They look like they're getting crushed. They kind of smush down and stuff, and the trucks will bounce off of them. And maybe if they were a little thinner, because the trucks themselves don't have enough mass to completely make them compress. The trucks kind of just bounce off, but in slow motion it looks like they're being crushed. So, green crushable car. On the back here we have the Collect Them All series. So we got Big Kahuna, which I have ordered right now off eBay. So I have Big Kahuna right now, technically. Gravedigger Grandma. I don't have that truck, but that is something I'm seeing a lot in my local Walmart, and people are freaking out because where they live, it's really hard to come by, and people are buying them all out. I have like a whole peg line or a whole row of them just full of those trucks, so I might pick one up tomorrow after school or something. But still, Gravedigger's been casted before. Radical Rescue hasn't, so. My last ever new truck in Hot Wheels Monster Jam, so it's a big deal. I've been collecting these for probably 14 years. I'm going on 17 now. I think my first one I got for my 3rd birthday. And since then, it's just been all Hot Wheels Monster Jam. Might make a collector wall, considering I'm not going to be adding any new trucks to my collection for the most part. Maybe 20 older things I don't have over the years, but yeah, I might start a collector wall. That'd be a fun thing to do. To tribute all my trucks I've gotten. And the only positive end to this I can see is I have a lot of duplicates of certain trucks, and if these ever become like a rare sought after toy in a couple years, 10 years, 20 years, I'll have a ton of things I can get rid of without feeling bad about getting rid of. So that's the only positive I can see of this. I'm not a huge fan of the Hot Wheels monster trucks, and might pick one up just to make a comparison video. I think Monster Jam OCD and a couple other people have already done that, but I might just do it because I haven't got one yet. It'll be my first reaction on video to what they are like out of the box, and see if I maybe do like them, and that can be another thing I collect separately from Hot Wheels Monster Jam. But first impressions aren't that good with those, and I'm not a big fan of them. Yeah, I've been rambling on a long time for this video. I don't do this that much, but yep. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Monster Jam videos. We are not done with Monster Jam videos. We'll still do like racing, Monster Jam trucks, Monster Jam show highlights that we go to, any trucks we pick up that we don't have. This is just the last time I'm ever going to get a new truck that I haven't seen before in Hot Wheels Monster Jam. Something I really used to look forward to as a kid, but this is not it for Monster Jam on this channel. We have Monster Jam video games, show highlights, old truck unboxings, track stuff. So, still a Hot Wheels and Monster Jam channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.